Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the force. So we want to know about the force. A force is the push or pull action of an object. So we know that a force is a push or pull action on object that is called force. तो बल व धक्का या खिंचाव है जो किसी वस्तु पर कार्य करता है. It can change the state of motion or the shape of an object. So by force we can change the direction of motion, or we change the speed, or we change its shape. For example, when we push a table, we apply force. It means when we push a table, we apply force on the table. Due to force, the table change its position from state 1 to state 2 या position first to position second. When we pull a bucket from a well, we apply the force. Now we see effect of force. So now we are talking about the effect of the force. So force can cause several changes in the object. First, force can change the speed of an object. इट मीन्स हम कहना चाहते हैं कि फोर्स के द्वारा हम किसी वस्तु के स्पीड या वेग को बदल सकते हैं, उसके स्पीड को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं. बाय अप्लाइंग द external force we can change the speed of any object. For example, a moving bicycle stops when brakes are applied. Number two, force can change the direction of the motion. By force, we can change the direction of the motion. For example, a cricketer changes the direction of a ball with the bat. So, due to bat, apply the force on the ball, we can change the direction of the ball. Now we see next types of force. There we study about how many types of the force. The force are mainly of two types. Force are two types. First, contact force. Contact force का मतलब संपर्क बल. तो this force act when two objects physically touch each other. Contact force work when two objects attach to each other or touch to each other. Now we see example muscular force, force applied by our muscles. Frictional force, force that oppose the motion. Tension force in the rope and string. Normal reaction, force exerted by the surface. That is the many other example of the forces. Now we are talking non-contact force. So non-contact force, this force act without contact between object. मतलब the force which work without a contact of the body, that force known as non-contact force. For example, gravitational force. Earth pulls object towards it. That force is non-contact force. Magnetic force. Magnet attracts iron. That is non-contact force. Electrostatic force, rubbing balloons, cans attract bit of paper, that is non-contact force. Now we are talking about the balance force. बैलेंस फोर्स मीन्स संतुलित बल। संतुलित बल क्या होता है इस पर हम डिफाइन करेंगे, पहले इंग्लिश में बाद में हिंदी में। तो व्हेन टू इक्वल फोर्सेज एक्ट इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन द नेट फोर्स बिकम्स जीरो। ए बैलेंस्ड फोर्स डज नॉट चेंज द स्टेट ऑफ द मोशन। तो बैलेंस फोर्स आर दोज फोर्सेज which cannot change the state of the motion, that is known as a balance force. For example, if you push as wall, the wall pushes back with the same force but no movement occurs, so that force known as balanced force. Now we are talking अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स, असंतुलित बल। अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स का मतलब असंतुलित बल। नाउ वी डिफाइन द अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स। व्हेन फोर्सेस आर नॉट इक्वल द नेट फोर्स इज नॉन जीरो। तो व्हेन अप्लाइड नेट फोर्स इज नॉट जीरो, दैट इज नोन एज अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स changes the state of motion. For example, a football moves when kicked because the force applied is unbalanced. So it means we apply unbalanced force, it changes the direction or speed. Newton's law of motion. Now we are discussing about the Newton's law of motion. So Sir Isaac Newton gave three laws of motion explaining the relationship between force and motion. Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia. The first law of motion known as the law of inertia, or we can say law of inertia, is known as the first law of motion. न्यूटन के प्रथम नियम को जड़त्व का नियम या जड़त्व का नियम जो होता है न्यूटन का प्रथम नियम कहलाता है। तो नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द लॉ ऑफ inertia or first law of the motion. When an object remains at rest or continues to move with uniform speed in a straight line unless an external force acts on it, that is known as first law of motion, or we can say that law is inertial law. So without external force we cannot change the state of the object, that is known as law of inertia. Now we are discussing about Newton's second law of motion. So according to this law, acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied and inversely proportional to its mass. It means, according to second law of motion, acceleration produced in a body is directly proportional to the force applied. So it means we can say alpha a proportional f. So acceleration directly proportional to force but inversely proportional to mass. It means a inversely proportional 1 upon m. तो always we can see the acceleration. If mass is more, acceleration is low. If mass is low, acceleration will be high. So that is the law of the second law of motion. Now we are discussing about the Newton's third law. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, जिसे हम क्रिया प्रतिक्रिया का नियम भी कहते हैं। क्रिया प्रतिक्रिया के नियमानुसार प्रत्येक क्रिया अपने बराबर परंतु विपरीत प्रतिक्रिया रखती है। मीनिंग है व्हेन एवर वन ऑब्जेक्ट अप्लाई a force on another, the second object react with equal force in the opposite direction. That's law known as third law of motion. Now we are discussing about the momentum. Momentum is the quantity of motion in a moving body. So momentum is the quantity of motion in the moving body. It means momentum denoted by P. P equal to m into v, so that momentum is the product of mass and velocity of the object. The unit of the momentum kilogram meter per second. Now we are discussing about fraction. We are discussing about the fraction. Fraction is a force that opposes the motion between two surfaces. So fraction always occurs when the relative motion between two surfaces. So fraction is always opposite its motion. The fraction direction is opposite to its motion. Now we are discussing about the gravitational forces. Every object in the universe attract every other object. दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। तो इसके अनुसार यह हुआ कि ब्रह्मांड की प्रत्येक वस्तु एक दूसरे को आकर्षित करती हैं। दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। अर्थ ग्रेविटी पुल्स एवरीथिंग डाउनवर्ड्स टुवर्ड्स इट्स सेंटर, दैट फोर्स नोन एज ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। तो वह बल जिसके द्वारा पृथ्वी प्रत्येक वस्तु को अपने गुरुत्व के केंद्र की ओर आकर्षित करता है, उसे गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल या गुरुत्वीय बल कहते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच नाइस। प्लीज लाइक, शेयर and subscribe the channel if video you are like. Thank you so much nice.